If you've ever wondered which robot vacuum actually deserves a spot in your home, you're in the right place. Today we're ranking 5 of the most talked about models, from budget basics to premium cleaning powerhouses. Starting at the bottom of our list, we have the iRobot Roomba 104. This is your straightforward, no-nonsense vacuum designed for people who just want something that works without any bells and whistles. It's simple, dependable, and does the basic cleaning job pretty well. The Roomba 104 uses a familiar 3-stage cleaning system and LiDAR navigation, which means it moves methodically rather than bumping around randomly. It's compact, light, and easy to set up. Plus, the app control and voice compatibility add a touch of convenience that most entry-level vacuums don't offer. But let's be real, this one's for minimalists. There's no self-emptying, no mopping, and no advanced automation. Compared to what other robots on this list can do, the Roomba 104 feels a little behind the curve. If you're looking for a simple, reliable vacuum for small apartments or basic daily cleanup, this one will get the job done. And by the way, you can find links to all these products at the best available prices right down in the video description. Coming up next, the XIEBro T8S takes a big step up in functionality. This little cleaner gives you both vacuuming and mopping in one affordable package, making it a great option for anyone on a budget who still wants hybrid cleaning. It delivers solid suction power for its price, enough to handle everyday messes, pet hair, and dust on hard floors. It's slim enough to slip under furniture, and the app and voice control options make it surprisingly modern for a budget model. That said, it's still pretty basic when you look under the hood. There's no smart mapping or self-emptying base, and the water tank is small, so it can't mop large areas in one go. It's also more prone to getting tangled or stuck on cords compared to higher-end models. If you're moving into your first apartment or just want a low-cost entry point into robot cleaning, the T8S is a good pick. Oh, and before we move on, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives just like this. Now we're getting into serious territory with the Shark AI Ultra. This one's built for people who want to forget about vacuuming for weeks at a time. Its self-emptying dock holds up to 60 days worth of dust, and the bagless design means you won't have to buy replacements. It cleans in neat, methodical rows thanks to LiDAR navigation and Shark's Matrix Clean system, which ensures it doesn't miss spots. The dock even uses HEPA filtration to capture allergens, making it a great choice for pet owners or anyone with allergies. The trade-off? There's no mopping, and the companion app feels a bit limited compared to some of the competition. Still, it's quiet, efficient, and dependable. If vacuuming is your main priority and you want something you barely have to touch, this Shark model offers solid value for the price. Now we're stepping into premium performance with the Roborock QV 35A. This model packs serious cleaning muscle with up to 8,000 Pascal of suction, almost overkill for most homes, but incredible for deep cleaning. The QV 35A's dual spinning mops actually scrub your floors instead of just dragging a damp cloth. Its dock empties the bin, washes and dries the mops, and even refills water automatically. Combined with Roborock's advanced LiDAR mapping, it covers every inch with precision, and its drawbacks are pretty mild. The dock is large, and the dustbin inside the robot itself is on the small side. Still, these are small trade-offs for such a complete cleaning system. If you want a nearly hands-free experience with reliable, high-end performance, this Roborock is one of the smartest investments you can make. Finally, at the top of the list, we've got the dreame L40 Ultra, the current king of smart cleaning. This robot doesn't just vacuum and mop, it practically runs your cleaning routine for you. It offers an industry-leading 11,000 pascals of suction power, an extended battery life of over 3 hours, and one of the most advanced docking systems out there. It empties its own dustbin, washes and dries its mops with hot air, and even extends its mop heads to reach every corner. Sure, it's pricey and the dock takes up space, but this thing is a full-time cleaning assistant. Compared to every other robot here, the dreame L40 Ultra just does more, and it does it better. If you want the best of the best and value convenience above all else, this is your winner. So, there you have it. 5 robot vacuums, each with its own strengths and ideal users. Check out the top-rated options using the links in the description below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smart tech reviews every week.